Stop saying, "Where is the park?" to total strangers.
Wait, what? But that's exactly what my textbook told me to say.
It's way too direct. It actually sounds a bit rude to native speakers.
I had no idea. So how do I ask without sounding like an angry tourist?
Today, we're fixing your city English so you can navigate any street with total confidence.
I'm ready. I'm tired of getting lost and feeling awkward.
First tip, always use a softener before your question.
A softener? Is that like being extra polite?
Exactly. Start with, "Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but do you know?"
So, excuse me, do you know where the station is?
Spot on. Or even better, "Could you tell me how to get to?"
Could you tell me how to get to the museum?
Perfect. It sounds friendly and natural.
That feels much better already. What's next?
Lesson 2, listen for landmarks, not just left and right.
Landmarks? You mean like big buildings?
Yes. Natives often say things like, "It's just past the coffee shop."
So past the means keep going after I see it?
Correct. And watch out for tucked away behind or kitty corner too.
Whoa, kitty corner? What on earth is that?
It just means diagonally opposite. Like at an intersection.
Okay, kitty corner is diagonally opposite. Got it.
Now, the most valuable tip, the echo technique.
The echo technique? Do I have to shout?
No. It means repeating the directions back to the person as a question.
Why? To make sure I didn't forget?
To confirm you understood. It saves you from walking the wrong way.
So I say, "So, I need to turn left at the bank, is that right?"
Exactly. If you're wrong, they'll correct you right there.
That's a lifesaver. I usually just nod and then get lost anyway.
Let's put it all together in a real conversation.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but do you know where the central library is?
Oh, sure. It's actually just around the corner.
Around the corner? Which way?
Go straight, walk past the red post office, and take the first left.
Okay, so go straight, past the post office, and first left?
That's it. It's tucked away behind the big fountain.
Tucked away behind the fountain, okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can't miss it.
That was so much smoother than my usual attempts.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and repeat this. "Could you tell me how to get to?"
Go ahead, say it out loud. It really helps with the muscle memory.
Did you do it? Great. Comment, "I'm not lost," if you practiced.
Let's do a quick recap of everything we learned.
1. Use softeners like, "Excuse me, do you know?"
2. Listen for landmarks like past the or tucked away.
3. Use the echo technique to confirm the path.
I feel like a navigation pro now.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We help you speak like a native every single day.
New video every day. See you in the next one.